I just got my new 2023 Aluminum XL Norco Sight. And so in this video, I'm going to give you a sort of buyer's guide on why this bike is one of the best options for buying used. Okay, so we did buy this bike new from Sun Country Cycles in Vernon, BC, and that might sort of sound weird that I would be talking about used bikes when I bought mine new, but the 2023 Norco Sight is everywhere online, ranging from 1,000 to 4,000 used. Now, it depends on the exact model, but my Norco Sight came with Fox 36 suspension, Fox Float X2 in the rear, a SRAM GX drivetrain, Maxxis tires, and other high-quality specs. We got my bike for only $2,500, where when it's not on a discount, it sells for around $6,000. If you have the chance to buy one of these new from a bike shop, take it. Otherwise, Marketplace has tons of options. From that same bike shop, just a few weeks ago, my cousin also bought a Norco Sight, and that was the carbon version. He got it for, I think, $2,500 when it was $7,000 originally. So you can just find great deals if you find one of these in shop. The only real problem with my bike is that the SRAM G2R brakes are a little underpowered, but I'll make do until I get some better brakes on there. So we're going to head out on a ride to figure out if the specs hold up to the trails. So to first test its technical riding, we're heading out to Sovereign just below Silver Star.
I bet your bike can't make this noise.
First ride on the new bike. Alright, so made it at the top. I think the bike climbed pretty well on just the service roads. Alright, so we did a lap of Rock is the New Berm. Now we're gonna head up and do a trail called Soup to Nuts. Holy SRAM brakes. What? What?
I couldn't slow down because I was gonna go OTB, so I dropped like every single bump.
Yeah, same.
I landed like that.
After riding Sovereign, I wanted to see how well the Sight jumps. So we took it to the Becker bike park. Alright, we're at Becker Park. Let's see how the bike jumps now. So I can say the 2023 Norco Sight is an awesome bike. Handles jumps well, eats up tech, and is super playful for being an enduro bike with 160-150 travel. One thing I will have to mention is this bike is an XL, and it fits me just fine. I'm 5'10". The sizing chart for the XL on Norco's website says that I should be 5'11" to fit into an XL, but it fits me just fine. It was the same with my cousin's 2023 Sight. So I would recommend going one size above what they recommend, especially if you're growing like I am. For any other year of sights, I can't tell you much other than stick to the sizing charts. So like I said, these bikes are great for what you're paying for, both used and new. So if you're on the market for a new bike, check this one out on Facebook Marketplace or any used online place or in stores, because some stores still have them and they're usually on sale for insane amounts. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.